Most people don't quit coding because they're not smart enough. They quit because the learning process is broken. When beginners start coding, they usually do the same thing. They open a long tutorial, watch an hour-long video, and try to memorize everything. But coding isn't about memorizing. It's about understanding logic. And when that understanding is missing, frustration starts. You write your first lines of code, and suddenly, nothing works. One small error breaks everything. You don't know why it's wrong or how to fix it. Then comes information overload. People try to learn Python, Java, web development, data science all at once. Instead of progress, they feel lost. Another big reason people quit is slow results. Weeks go by, and they still can't build anything real. No small wins, no confidence, just confusion. And without confidence, motivation disappears. People start thinking, coding is too hard. I'm not made for this. I should quit. But the truth is simple. Coding becomes hard when it's taught the wrong way. When lessons are too long. When explanations are unclear. When there's no real practice. The people who succeed do one thing differently. They learn step by step. They focus on one skill at a time. They get small wins early. Short lessons. Clear explanations. Real coding examples. That's what keeps people going. Because when you understand what you're doing, coding stops being scary and starts becoming exciting.